freighter.
Manual doors.
Sounds like we have a good motor. Well, those are nice. Easy to... Oh, interesting. It's secured on both sides. Oh, wow. It's open on the top. You can look out. Look.
Please do not press the button hard. It will break.
Where's the light switch? There we
it is.
go.
We'll have to turn the lights off when we leave.
Dude, this is cool. Look at that. I thought it was like behind a store, but it's... Wait, does this work? Up jog, down jog.
Looks like there's a key switch for that.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if we can take it down to B.
Oh, don't push it in hard. It's stuck there. Do you have a light?
Just my phone light.
Oh, look. Looks like it used to have power doors.
Yeah, it looks like a door motor, doesn't it?
All right, ready?
Huh. Write it down.
Focus.
This bottom or top right?
Top.
Can I get a look at the COP?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll turn off this light for now because it'll focus better on that. Cool. Give it a push.
Do you want to turn it back on?
Oh, the light.
Yeah. Let's make them wide. Oh, look, there's the outside door you can see from the parking lot.
Do your door. We probably shouldn't have had this too many times.
Yeah, we'll do one more round trip and then.
We've already got 2 minutes on it.
See the switches there.
Yeah, that's the door switch right there.
All right.
Should I send it back down?
B, please.
Dust is taking the focus out. It's very dusty. I need that. Huh, that's the little door interlock switch there.
Yeah, but it looks like they used to be power doors, but they're not anymore.
Yeah, it does have that.
Let's hear you turn your light off. Look, it has this cool Montgomery logo on it.
The OG Montgomery. Turn it off for fixtures, I guess.
Here, let's go up to D because I want to see something. Look what it says on the door.
Oh, there's rating on it.
Oh man, they put that sign over it. It
Exterior
says
door. This one's locked.
golden color or something. Montgomery elevator. I don't know what this used to be. Oh, is it locked?
Yeah.
But you can just turn it.
Yeah, but do we want to leave?
Drive the car and here. All right.
Drive the car.
Silent. Here, let's go down to B and then do a silent ride back up to 2.
Okay.
All right, silent ride. Here, shine your light. Whoa, wait. Shine your light at that and then send it to D.
If we ride it too many times, they're gonna start wondering.
Yeah, this is the last time.
Yeah, that moves. That's the interlock.
Look, there's the uncovered label. We can see what this used to be. Montgomery elevator, CO Foss Company. All right, anyway, how about we end it here?
See if we can go that way. If it's not unlocked, we should have
Look, there's the switch to unlock it.
But
They all
see,
have that.
The thing is here though, this is a manual lock.
Oh, wow. And it opens, as Diesel Ducey says, into outer space. It is a space elevator.
The thing is though, we need to relock that door.
We will.
Oh, are you gonna get back in? We're gonna
Yeah. We'll get back in. We'll just end the
This is
video
kinda
out
funny
here.
that we could just
Anyway,
get out
that's
here.
all.